Labii Risk Assessment empowers research, manufacturing, and compliance teams to identify, evaluate, and mitigate risks with precision. Built for life sciences, pharmaceuticals, and other regulated industries, Labii makes risk management a structured, auditable, and repeatable process. No spreadsheets required. Centralized risk documentation and control. Labii provides a unified workspace to manage risk registers, hazard analyses, and mitigation strategies. Whether you're implementing ISO 14971, HACCP, or ICH-Q9, Labii adapts to your regulatory needs while maintaining full traceability. Customizable risk templates for any workflow. Choose from pre-built templates or create your own risk models with configurable matrices, thresholds, categories, and evaluation rules. Labii's modular system aligns with your SOPs and quality system requirements. Quantitative and qualitative risk analysis. Score risks by severity, likelihood, and detectability. Labii automatically calculates risk priority numbers, RPNs, and presents them in intuitive dashboards and heat maps, making prioritization and follow-up simple. Built-in structure. Data tables for full traceability. Labii's risk assessment module is engineered with a flexible, normalized table structure to support granular data tracking, modular assessments, and scalable evaluations. This design allows Labii to serve as both a risk register and a risk control evidence library, ideal for compliance, traceability, and impact analysis. Collaborate securely across teams. Enable cross-functional teams to work together on risk assessments. Labii offers role-based access control, threaded comments, and full version history for traceable decision-making. Seamless integration with ELN, LIMS, and QMS. Associate risks with experiments, production runs, deviations, CAPAs, or SOPs. Labii's interconnected platform ensures risk awareness is embedded across your operations and scientific workflows. Regulatory compliance made easy. Designed for regulated environments, Labii provides built-in audit trails, digital signatures, and compliance-ready reporting. Map each risk to controls, standards, and tests to satisfy ISO, FDA, and GXP requirements. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Labii. Ready to see how Labii can transform your lab's data management? Schedule a free demo today at https://demo.schedule.labii.com and experience the power of streamlined documentation and collaboration. Love Labii? Share it with others. Refer a company to Labii and earn free months for each seat they sign up. It's our way of saying thank you for spreading the word.